Hi, this is Joshua Vargas, and this is discussion post number 4, chapters 6 and 7 of Brown's book. So, today I'm going to be summarizing chapter 6 of Braving to the Wilderness. Okay, so what I got from chapter 6 was that Brown was emphasizing being collectively together as a group of people. So, she listed many examples throughout this whole chapter of why it's important to collectively join together during sad moments or happy moments, and it's important to experience this with other people and not just like be by yourself. You gotta be with a group of people to experience, and when you're with a group of people, it's way better and it's more memorable, and it's just healthier, as she says. So she begins off saying that she did a bunch of research and she concluded with this statement. So she says, show up for collective moments of joy and pain so we can actually bear witness to an inextricable human connection. So what I think she's saying is that we have to show up for each other and show up as a group and a whole to experience joyful and painful moments. And when we do this, we will experience human connection and we will make light of the joyful moments and the painful moments because we're all together. And this was on page 120. And an example that she brings up that really stuck out to me was the Harry Potter one. And this is on page 124, Wands Up. So she references the scene in Harry Potter where Professor Dumbledore passes away, and all the wizards and witches that were friends with him all supported him and came together and put their wands up in the air to make light of the moment, which they did. So she says, as Harry Potter places a hand on Dumbledore's chest and continues to weep, Dumbledore's dearest friends and fellow teacher, Professor McGonagall, raise their wands high to the sky. From the tip of the wands comes a single burst of light. So in that sad moment of Dumbledore passing, they all came together and made light of the moment and supported him all together as a whole community. And I feel like that's a really good way to say how collectiveness, you can make light of the moment no matter what. Just being there for each other is important. And she concludes this chapter with it is important to take risks and to have courage in these moments. And it might be scary to go out with a big group of people and take place in this, but it is important to take risks and to brave the wilderness. And that's what I got from this chapter.